We all want peace in our lives. Yoga can be right for you. Let Eric be your guide. This is Acceptance Yoga. Acceptance for everyone.
Hi, I'm Eric. Thank you for joining me for this meditation on accommodation. What is accommodation? Well, to me, accommodation is something that makes you feel safer or makes you feel more comfortable. So what does that mean in a context of meditation? It's about making sure that you're not distracted, because what we're trying to do is to unify our mind and body. So in order to do that, we can't be in a painful position. We can't be so uncomfortable that that's all we can think about. So we could find ourselves a comfortable place to sit, like on a cushion. And maybe you don't have to get on the floor in a cross-legged position. I know that's what meditation looks like a lot of the time, but meditation can be done in any position and in any location. So you could sit on a sofa if you want to, if that's what's comfortable for you. The important thing is that you feel supported by the earth and that you feel supported in your practice with an environment that works for you. That means adjusting the lighting, perhaps. Maybe it means wearing noise-canceling headphones or earplugs of some kind. Finding some way for you to support your comfort as much as possible is important. And as you're thinking about how all of that works for you, this might be a good time to pause and find any props or find a location that works for you today. Maybe a blanket to keep you warm, really anything. And I'll pause here so that you can go find your comfortable spot. Hopefully you found your comfortable spot. Find yourself in a controlled position, maybe lengthening your spine, finding a supportable and maintainable position that accommodates your needs. You can begin to slow your breathing down. As we begin this meditation, thinking about giving accommodation to others, finding out if the lights are too bright, or if the volume is too high or too low. Finding out if there's anything that they need so that they can feel safe and so that they can concentrate on the thing that they are trying to do. If it's comfortable for you, allow your eyes to close or focus on an object. Slow the breathing even more as we think about accommodating ourselves. Allow yourself to be comfortable. Allow yourself to feel safe. Allow yourself to rock back and forth if that makes you more comfortable than sitting in stillness. As we sit in silent meditation for the next 3 minutes, maybe you want to think to yourself, I am safe every time you exhale, if that works for you. Relax your face, relax your jaw. If you become distracted by a thought, allow it to pass by and return your focus to your breath. If any tension has entered your body, allow that part of your body to relax. Gently relax the attention on your breath. Allow the awareness of your body and your surroundings to come back to you. Gently rub your fingertips together. And allow your eyes to slowly open, or for your gaze to return to normal. Thank you for joining me and sharing your practice with me. I'm Eric, and this is Acceptance Yoga.